calling the doctor. Let's first learn some useful English words. Sore throat. I have a really sore throat. Symptoms. Any other symptoms? Appointment. I'd like to make an appointment.
You don't look good. How are you feeling?
Not great. My throat is really sore and I have a headache. I think I might have a fever too.
Have you taken your temperature?
Yeah, it's 38.5. Not super high, but still a fever.
You should probably see a doctor. How long have you been feeling like this?
Since yesterday afternoon. I thought it would get better, but it's actually worse today.
Okay, you need to call and make an appointment.
Good morning, Dr. Martinez's office. This is Jennifer speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Of course. May I have your name?
Yes, it's Jihan Chen.
And is that your first time with Dr. Martinez?
I'm a new patient.
Okay, great. And what's the reason for your visit today?
I have a really sore throat and a fever. I've been feeling sick since yesterday.
Okay. Any other symptoms? Cough, body aches, anything like that?
Yes, I have a headache too, and I'm pretty tired.
All right. It sounds like you should be seen soon. Let me check what we have available. Can you come in today at 2:30?
Yes, 2:30 works for me.
Perfect. So I have you scheduled with Dr. Martinez today at 2:30 p.m. Please arrive about 10 minutes early to fill out some new patient paperwork. Do you have any questions?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We'll see you at 2:30. Feel better.
So I have an appointment at 2:30. That gives me 4 hours.
Perfect. You should rest until then. Do you want me to come with you to the doctor?
Would you? I mean, I can probably do it alone, but...
Of course, I'm happy to come. Plus, you're sick. You shouldn't have to go alone.
Thanks, Sam. I seriously appreciate your help.
No problem. Now get some rest.
Must know phrases. I'm a new patient. I'm a new patient. I'd like to schedule an appointment. I'd like to schedule an appointment. I've been feeling sick since.